Want to know how to verify your email address in Best Buy? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Best Buy application. So we have also created similar videos on how to use Best Buy, on how to install it, sign in or sign up, so make sure to watch it. So once you have opened up your Best Buy, you should be under this interface right here. Now, since we are verifying our emails, we should head towards our account. So for that, on the bottom right side, you should be seeing your account with your name, just simply take that. And now once you've your account, here you should be seeing account settings. It should be right below plans and subscriptions, just simply like that. So once you're under account settings, here you should be seeing various options. Now, here you should be seeing verify your email on top directly. You can just simply select that to send any link or any OTP to your email. So if that does not show for you, under account security, you should also be seeing email address, just simply select that and then select verify email. So once that is done, often verification code should be sent. Just simply type in, select continue, and you're good to go. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these similar videos. Have a good day and see you on the next one.